how to buy IP token on MEXC. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below. Find your account to enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, as you can see, this token is available on CoinMarketCap. To be able to buy this token on MEXC, click on Markets here. As you can see, you'll be able to find the MEXC. Click on this pair link, and you will be able to redact your account. So if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down in the description. You will be able to find the referral link. Go and create an account on MEXC and fund it to some USDT. So after you create an account on MEXC and fund it to some USDT, go and log into your account. As you can see here, we'll be able to find this buy. Click on limits here. Now here type how much you want to buy of the token, and here you will be able to see how much you will be paid of that USDT on your account to use it to buy this token, and click here on buy IP. If you select the markets, you can drag this to set how much a percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account to be able to use it to buy this token, and click here on buy IP. So this is how to buy IP token on MEXC. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.